Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Hi. Is my mic fine?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. Oh, so you're screen sharing the slideshow, right?
I don't know if I have it. Did you share it?
Oh wait, let me share it with you. All right.
Okay.
Share it with you. All right, I shared it with you. Did you get it?
What's it called?
It's called week 5.
Um,
I just changed it to week 3.
okay, got it. Yeah. Oh, stranger.
Okay. Have you taken exam 2 yet for bus 300?
Not yet. I was gonna take it today.
Okay.
Did you?
No, I'm gonna take it tomorrow.
Okay.
Let me know how it goes.
Yeah.
All right. Hi, Sachi. We're gonna be starting in like 5 minutes. We're just waiting for more people to join.
Sure.
Yeah.
Remind me your name again?
My name's Akshi.
Watch it.
Mhm.
Yeah. And I see we're making the volcano. Watch it. Hello? Watch it. I think you're frozen. Okay, now she's
Okay, yeah. His Zoom crashed, so he
yeah.
joined back in a few minutes. So we'll wait for like 5 minutes for him to join back. Sound good?
Yeah, and what's your name?
Akshita?
Akshita. Okay.
Yeah.
Are we doing a volcano today?
Yes, we are.
Yes, my favorite. My favorite.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I don't see you, by the way, Akshita.
Oh, sorry. I thought my camera was on. Do you see me
Nope.
now?
Yes.
Hi.
Sorry, I was in another class.
No, that's okay. Yeah, we remembered you wanted to do volcanoes.
Yes,
So
yes, yes, and yes, yes.
yeah.
Good memory. Good memory. Yes. You know me well.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Oh, wait. If we have ultra cells, can we add that?
Sorry, what?
Can we add those little ultra cells tablets? If we add it.
We'll go through that. We'll like walk you through there, and then once we get to the experiment,
No, I was just wondering because I think I have ultra cells tablets.
Oh
Can I use
yeah, VR,
that?
VR, right?
You know what I'm
VR.
you know what I'm talking about?
I'm not sure.
Here, let me show you. Hold on.
Okay.
So, so hi, Archit.
Hi, sorry about that. My computer completely crashed.
I know. That's what I was wondering. So that's
Yeah.
what I thought.
Yeah.
Oh,
All right.
Archit.
Uh-huh.
I was wondering. I think I have it. I have ultra salsa tablets. Can I use those?
You have what?
I have these at my house. Can I? Hold on. Let me show you. I have these at my house. Can I use some of them?
Oh, let me see.
Let me make a bit.
What are they called? Like, oh, is that for dish soap? Yeah, you can use that.
No, it's soap. It's you can use for anything.
Okay.
Experiment. I didn't type it to you, and then I didn't type it name to you in the chat.
Okay, yeah, sure. All right.
Hold on.
So I think we can get started now. Sorry guys about the wait. Actually, do you want to screen share?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So thank you guys for joining week 3 of the Science Fun class. And today's all about volcanoes. Okay, so first of all, what is a volcano? A volcano is an opening in a moon's or planet's crust through which like hot rocks and hot gases and other materials erupt from. Volcanoes often form like a hill, if you can see in the pictures here. They often form hills or mountains as layers of rock and ash build up from repeated eruptions. And volcanoes are classified in 3 ways: active, dormant, and extinct. So if you see in like the active picture, there's like fire and lava coming out of the hill, and in the dormant one it's more like relaxed. It's not like peeping up right now, and in the extinct one, there's no hole. The dome is like completely destroyed. Yeah, normally a dormant volcano happens right after, like a few years after an active volcano, because the eruption kind of destroys the dome. Okay,
Oh yeah, Akshit, I sent the name to you to the chat.
okay. While I look at that, Akshita, you want to explain the slide?
Yeah. So there's three different types of volcanoes. There's the cinder cones, also called spatter cones. There's composite volcanoes, also called stratovolcanoes, and shield volcanoes. And at the bottom of the slide, there's just different examples of each one of these. So if you take a look on the left, there's a cinder cone volcano. In the middle, there's a stratovolcano, and on the right side, there's a shield volcano.
Wait, Sachi, is that supposed to replace baking soda?
We
Or,
have baking soda.
Yeah,
But
okay,
we have baking soda. We are good.
we do have it, but I was just
Okay.
wondering if I can use that.
okay, yeah, just use baking soda, that's fine.
Okay, perfect.
Okay. All right, so now we'll move on to some fun facts about volcanoes. So firstly, in an eruption, gases and rock shoot up through the opening and spill over or fill the air with lava fragments. Akshita, can you go back 2 slides?
Go back 2 slides.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you see here in the active picture, you can see that's what's happening here. There's rock and gases and fire coming out of the main dome of the volcano, and that's what's happening here. All right, you can go back.
I have a question
Yeah.
on that slide.
Uh-huh.
Akshita, can you go back 2 slides then?
Volcano one.
Why like on the left side of the picture, it's like lighter and the other side is darker?
The left side of the active volcano picture.
Yes.
I'm not really seeing that.
Let me,
I think
okay, hold on.
maybe because there's more lava on the right side than the left side.
No, like, hold on. You can see like here, right? Like this is lighter. Do you see
Oh
my
yeah.
pen?
I mean, yeah, that's okay.
And
So
then this side right here, it's like dark.
yeah, so that's because so on the left side that's lava flowing out, and on the right side fire is erupting. So fire is like more lighter, I guess you can say. It reflects more light than the lava, so that's why it looks lighter than the on the left side. It's just fire. That's all it is.
Okay.
Okay.
But isn't the volcano supposed to explode everywhere?
Yeah, it is, but it explodes in like different ways every time. So like maybe there could be more fire or more lava. It doesn't explode the same way everywhere. It'll spill over on one side more than the other, maybe. It could be like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I thought it's supposed then why I have another question. Why does it shoot up for like 20 millimeters?
Oh yeah, we'll explain that later in the slideshow. We can just move on. Yeah, the slideshow will explain that.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so in an eruption, gases and rock shoot up to the opening and spill over or fill the air with lava fragments. Eruptions can cause lava flows, hot ash flows, mudslides, avalanches, and falling ash and floods.
The second fact is that the danger area around a volcano covers about a 20-mile radius.
Fresh volcanic ash made of pulverized rock, you can just classify it as a rock. I don't know why it's pulverized. Okay, can be harsh, acidic, gritty, glassy, and smelly. The ash can cause damage to the lungs of older people, babies, and people with respiratory problems.
Volcanic lightning occurs mostly within the cloud of ash during an eruption, and it is created by the friction of the ash rushing to the surface.
An erupting volcano can trigger tsunamis, flash floods, earthquakes, mud flows, and rockfall.
And more than 80% of the Earth's surface is volcanic in origin.
Yeah, and the reason for that is because when the Earth first came to be, most of the Earth was covered in volcanoes, right? And those volcanoes, they erupted and lava flowed out. And over time, that lava cooled down and caused like the land and continents you see now. So yeah, that's pretty much why. Okay, so here's some background definitions. So the first one is tectonic plates. So tectonic plates are broken pieces made of the Earth's crust and lithosphere. Another name for them is crustal plates. and continental crust is less dense and oceanic crust is denser.
The second term is pressure, and what pressure is the application of force to something by something else in direct contact with it. This is also known as like compression.
The final fun fact is magma. So magma is extremely hot liquid and semi-liquid rock located under Earth's surface. And magma is also the substance that spills out of volcanoes. Sachi, if you saw on the left side, you asked why it was lighter. It's actually magma. And it has a layered structure that consists of the inner core, outer core, mantle, and crust. And much of the planet's mantle consists of magma.
Okay, I have a question.
Yeah.
For like how big, I know we don't see it, but how big is like the tectonic plate?
A tectonic plate. So they're under the Earth's surface. Tectonic plates are normally really big. I'm not sure how
Like-
big exactly. Probably like a little bigger than Folsom, or
It's like a little bigger than
than a
the
city, than like an average city. Probably the size of a city, kind of.
Yeah, there's
like the
a lot of
like
differences.
like bigger than New York City.
Yeah, probably near the size of New York City, something like that.
Okay, like 20 millimeters or something.
Not 20 millimeters. That's really small. More like miles, like square miles, like really
So
big.
like 1.5 miles.
Yeah, something like that.
Okay.
Okay, so here's some things we're gonna be learning about.
This
We're
is the
gonna be
volcanoes. What is that?
Volcanoes.
Yes.
someone have a question?
No.
Okay, yeah, no problem. All right, so things we're going to be learning about is volcanoes, pressure, how volcanoes work, and chemical reactions.
Question.
Yeah.
I know lava is like explosions are red, but why is that gray?
Which explosion? Oh no,
Uh,
the gray you saw, that was smoke. That was smoke coming out of the explosion.
But I thought fire comes out from the volcano, not smoke.
Both of them do. So when fire gets emitted, it also produces smoke. Go back, Akshita, one slide. So yeah, that's just smoke coming out from the fire. It's like rocks and debris coming out. It's both. If you search up like pictures of fire, you see like after fire, there's like carbon dioxide being emitted into the air, and that's smoke, like the carbon dioxide.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so the materials you're going to be needing is a 200 milliliter plastic bottle. I just used a plastic water bottle and emptied it out right here. A small bowl like this to pour your stuff into and pour it into the bottle. And then you need a cup, a measuring cup would do, measuring cup like this. And then just get some baking soda right here. Dish soap, I poured mine into a cup right here, just like your standard dish soap. Water, I just put in a cup right here. And the last thing you need is vinegar, right here.
Watch it.
And food coloring. Yeah.
I have this cup. Will that do?
Yeah, that'll do. Oh, is that for your explosion?
No. This is my
Okay.
explosion.
Yeah, that's fine. That cup
And
will.
okay. And let me ask you this.
Mhm.
Why do we need another cup when we're already using this for explosion?
That cup is to pour things into the water bottle that you're going to use for your explosion. It's like to pour things into that.
Okay.
Yeah. So does everyone have their materials? Can we get
No,
started?
not yet. Just give me
Okay.
1 more second.
Also, if everyone could do a favor and turn on your cameras, that'd be really nice. We're actually required to tell you guys to stay out.
So what they're going to do?
What we going to do?
Yeah, you have to listen and tell me what they are going to do.
Volcano.
Also, for your volcanoes, it'd be preferred if you guys use red food coloring because it like simulates the volcano. But any food coloring is also fine. Doesn't really matter too much. Also, I have like a plate here, like a plate or a tarp, because the liquid's gonna come out of the water bottle and spill on your table. So make sure you're ready for that. Have like towels under it or something to contain the explosion, because it's gonna spill out of the bottle and land in the plate. Okay, so someone asked the question of how much baking soda. Doesn't really matter. I think it's 2 tablespoons, something like that. 2 or 3 tablespoons would be fine. So yeah, let me double check for you. Give me 1 sec. I'll double check how much baking soda. I think it's 2 tablespoons. Okay, yeah, it's yeah, 1 tablespoon of baking soda. 1 tablespoon will be fine.
Actually, we can use any color, right, for the food coloring?
Oh yeah, any color is fine. Red would be preferred, but any color is fine.
I have blue.
Okay, yeah, blue's fine.
Oh, okay. Okay, what's our first step?
Okay, so does everyone have their materials, or you guys can like raise your hand if you want me to wait, but if no one raises their hand, we'll get started.
I have my materials.
Okay. How much water and how much dish soap? It doesn't really matter. You can get like a cup of water and whatever dish soap you have, like maybe your dish soap bottle, just have that on you. Doesn't really matter too much about how exact. Just don't get too
I ha-
little and don't
I
get.
have this.
Yeah, that's fine. That works.
Okay,
Okay.
I'm ready.
All right. I think we're just waiting for a few more people, and then we'll get started.
Sure.
Priyanka and Sarvesh, do you guys have all your materials?
Yes.
Okay. Sarvesh, do you have your materials? Okay, I don't know if Sarvesh is there, but it's okay. We'll move on for a little bit. Okay, Sarvesh is there. Hi, Sarvesh.
You have to tell. You have to tell. No?
No, Matthew.
So just you're going to just
Just
Oh.
watch.
okay.
Okay,
I'm-
yeah, that's fine. Thank you, Sarvesh. Okay, so
You're welcome.
I think Jessica is getting her materials. So once she's back, we can get started.
Okay.
Okay.
Akshita, are you gonna do this too?
No, Aksha's gonna do it this week.
And next week
Okay.
you're gonna do it?
Jessica, are you ready for the experiment? How much vinegar? It doesn't really matter too much. I just have a cup of vinegar here. You can just get like a cup of vinegar.
Are you gonna do it next week, Akshita?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm ready.
Okay. So now that everyone's ready, okay, so Akshita, do you want to move on to the next slide? Directions.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna move my camera right here. Wait, okay. 1 sec, I just have to figure out my camera. Okay, give me a sec, let me figure out my camera real fast.
Akshita,
Yeah.
I have a question for you.
Yeah.
Mix my ingredients in a clear cup or in the silver cup?
Are they both empty?
Oh, this is empty and this has water.
Oh, I think she left. Hold on.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that, guys. I crashed again. My Wi-Fi just went out, but I'm back. Okay, so get your bowl right here, and then take your baking soda. Wait 1 second. Let me get a spoon.
Let me do it.
Do it in your empty one.
Okay, the clear one.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I have a spoon right here. So I'm taking out my baking soda. Yeah. And just take 1 tablespoon is fine. 1 spoon of baking soda. And put it in your bowl. Just like this. And then mix that with some dish soap. Take some dish soap. I have mine in a cup right here. I'm gonna pour it into your bowl. You don't have to pour too much. I just poured a little bit like this. Just a little bit of dish soap that just to cover the baking soda. And you want to mix that in a bowl. I'm just mixing my baking soda and my dish soap in a bowl. And once you do that, you should get like a green kind of liquid like this. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Okay, so you just want to get it should look like a green liquid like this. Which you,
Archit, I'm doing
yeah.
mine in the cup, if that's fine.
Yeah, that's fine. So
Okay.
just mix it just like that. And until it's like a solid substance, you can't see any baking soda, just mix it, mix it, mix it. Okay. So now that you've mixed that, next, so make sure you take a different spoon for the next step. So take a different spoon, because if you use the same spoon, it's gonna react. So I'm gonna go get another spoon, I'll be right back. All right, so have like a little bit of a bigger spoon here, but it's fine. If the spoon size doesn't really matter, it's just to mix it. So then in another cup, I just have a measuring cup right here. You want to mix your vinegar. So pour some vinegar, mine's in a cup. Pour some vinegar right here. Make sure you don't pour too much. I'm just gonna pour a little bit. Just like that. And mix your food coloring. So I have my food coloring right here. I'm gonna put like maybe 2 or 3 drops. So 1 drop, 2 drop, and 3. Okay.
Archit,
Yeah.
is your measuring cup have water in it or?
Oh no, that's vinegar. That's vinegar.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, I actually missed this step. Okay, so now that this is done, you want to mix together your vinegar and food coloring, if you can see here. Mixing that together.
Add the water and.
So it's like a solid red color.
Archit,
Yeah.
I have a question.
Uh-huh.
What did you put? Did you put water first or vinegar?
Oh, I put vinegar in that measuring cup. You don't
Where
know
we
how to.
where
So the water, I actually messed up. So go back to your green cup, the cup with your green dish
this
soap.
one?
Yeah. And add some water to that. Just a little bit.
Okay, a little bit, okay.
Yeah. Until it like submerges it, yeah. Not too much, maybe like, yeah, just a little bit of water. And mix it together like this.
Okay. And what are you putting in your measuring cup?
Vinegar. I put vinegar and food coloring.
Okay.
Okay. So in your green cup, I want you guys to add a little bit of water. I added a little too much here. That's my bad. So yeah.
No, he said put
Your
vinegar.
dish soap and baking soda cup, add some vinegar.
And how And how much food coloring did you put?
I put 3 drops in my cup of vinegar. So now that everything's ready, you should have 2 cups, one with vinegar and one with baking soda, dish soap, and water. Does everyone have that? Okay, so Jessica's ready.
Hmm. Do we have to mix it up or no?
Uh, your water cup?
In the vinegar.
Yeah, oh, and the vinegar? Yeah, mix it up. I think you can add, Sachi, add a little bit more vinegar. This is a huge measuring cup. I have a lot of vinegar right here.
Okay.
Yeah, it should be a lot, so like this much. I put 100 milliliters of vinegar. Hopefully that's not too much. 100 milliliters should be enough. And then a little bit of baking soda in this cup right here.
I'm just showing. I added a little bit more. How's this? Watch
Um,
it.
honestly, try and just like fill it up with vinegar. Fill the whole cup up with vinegar. And add enough food coloring so for it to supplement it. So like I have this much food coloring. Okay, once Sachi's done with that, we can move on.
How's this? Watch it.
Yeah, that'll be fine. That should be fine.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, if it doesn't work, you can also add more vinegar at the end, Sachi, so it's fine.
Okay.
Okay, so the final step you want to do is you want to pour the vinegar into the bottle. So you take your bottle right here. Sorry, this is not the final step. Pour your vinegar right here into the cup.
The one with the food coloring in it.
Yeah, the one with the food coloring in it. I'm pouring my vinegar like this. Thankfully,
Okay,
I don't see anything. So I have my vinegar right here in this bottle. And it should fill up like this much. This is good, almost half. And then don't add your baking soda yet. Just fill it up before you add your baking soda.
I want to show you. How's this? Watch it.
Yeah, you want to add a lot more. So add it like up to here.
Okay.
Yeah, see my cup? Just add it like that much. And then, Sashi, once you're done with that, we can go to the next step. Yeah, Priyanka, that looks good. We're just waiting on Sachi. Oh, yeah, that looks good, Jessica. Oh, did you put the baking soda in? I think you started it.
Yes, I already did it.
Oh, yeah, that's cool. Yeah, you can see the fizzling effect right there. Good job. Okay, so I'm gonna add the baking soda. All right, so the final step you want to do is you want to wait. Hold on, guys, one sec. All right, I'm back. So what you want to do is you want to take your baking soda and you want to pour it into your cup with vinegar right here. So I'm gonna do this slowly, and you guys are gonna watch.
Hey, watch it.
Yeah.
How's this?
Okay, so I just poured it in, and you can see right there, the thing just fizzed out. So this is like a volcanic reaction right here. You can see.
I'll put this in here. You know what?
You can see that liquid coming out right there. That's pretty much what happens in a volcano. Can everyone see that? The final step is just adding your
It's
baking
not
soda.
working. Watch it.
Yeah.
Get done with this. It's came up. This is good, right? Mute kar, unmute kar.
Unmuted.
This
Akshit,
all came up. We are good, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So if it comes up like this, then that's your volcanic reaction.
yay.
Okay. So I think we can move on now. Actually, you want to move on to the next slide?
Bianca's still working on it.
Akshita, I don't see in that slide.
I think Priyanka's still working on her experiment.
Is she? Oh yeah.
So we'll wait for like a minute.
I think you guys can continue. We had only apple cider vinegar, so
Oh.
I don't know if it's due to that, but I'm adding more baking soda.
Yeah.
I can see some foam kind of, yeah, a little bit, but not a whole lot. So I'm going to add more baking soda into it and try. But
Yeah,
you can,
it should foam a little bit like this.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so the last thing is explaining the experiment. So this experiment demonstrates the classic chemical reaction between an acid, namely acetic acid present in the vinegar, and a carbonate, namely sodium hydrogen carbonate present in the baking soda. And when the baking soda and vinegar react and when it's exposed to acids, carbonate undergoes a decomposition reaction, which is basically to dumb it down. It's basically an explosive reaction, right? So these two chemicals, they react in an explosive manner, which causes carbon dioxide, or we simulated that with like the fizz right here, if you can see that, fizzes out. In carbon dioxide, and that's released as a gas and causes the eruption. So basically a lot of pressure is building up in here because of the baking soda and vinegar, and that pressure pops and causes all the carbon dioxide to come out. Okay. And also, if you have any more leftover baking soda, like I have some more here, you can actually add it and get more. Should do that right here. Okay, never mind, it's not gonna come out. Yeah, okay, I think it's done. But yeah,
It's not coming out.
yeah,
Oh, it is. I see it.
maybe a little bit. Okay.
Is it class over already?
Yeah,
Oh, wow.
it's a short class today. But you can always add more baking. If you have more vinegar, you can always add more baking soda like this to get a reaction. Okay, never mind. Okay, all the vinegar's out, but yeah. Okay, thanks, Jessica. Bye. Okay, thank you all for joining today. That's our experiment. I hope you guys
What are we
enjoyed.
doing next class?
Yeah. Hope to see you guys all next class, same time, 4 p.m. PST on Friday. Thank you guys for joining. Bye.
What are we doing next class, Akshit?
Oh, the volcano
Oh,
is actually
wow.
now because of the
What are we doing next class?
I don't know what we're gonna be doing. I have to look into it. Hopefully it's just as cool as this. There's a lot of
Our volcano is now erupting.
oh wow, nice.
Slowly, gradually. It's so beautiful.
Yeah, I'm glad you guys enjoyed it. Hope to see you guys next week. We're gonna be doing something even better next week. All right. Bye guys.
I was thinking, can we make can we inflate a balloon without using our mouth?
I don't know. Maybe we could. I don't think that's much science. That's just like air. But
Well,
we'll
it's not air. Like I saw some people putting, if you did an empty water bottle, right?
Mhm.
And if you pour, and if you if you put baking soda, and you know the little circle of the balloon where the air goes in, and if you put that baking soda in the balloon, and put vinegar in a bottle, and put the balloon with the baking soda in it on top of the bottle.
Yeah, we could try that. We'll see. Thanks for the suggestion though.
Yeah, I don't know where I saw it. I wanted to try, but I didn't have time.
Mhm.
I'm not, but I was just wondering. Oh yeah, if you do ever want to do it, but make sure the baking soda, when you put it, the one that had the balloon with the baking soda in it, once you put it over the mouth of the cup, make sure you shake it in a little bit so it doesn't inflate.
Yeah, I guess we could try that. I don't know how much science that would be though, but yeah, we'll
Oh,
see.
my bad. So
Alright.
I did not choose a right science experiment.
No, it's fine. Okay.
But I thought that would be fun for next
Yeah.
class.
Yeah, we can try that. But thanks for joining, everyone. Bye.
Thanks, bye.